Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, once again I have both for you photo editing best app. So friend, let's start the video. This app name is Photo Room. You go on the Play Store and search the name of. I have already this. Application installed photo room studio. I open it and in this I have already uh, uh, this application feature is you select your pick in the gallery and change your background in and to make your photo very beautiful to change your background with your beautiful background. So guys, I select here any photo and I want to change here photo. So guys, first of all I uh, create a new one. So guys, first of all, um, this is a photo and I want to here the custom size and landscape size and here customer size. So guys, if you want to your pic to change your background, remove your background and change your background. So first of all you select here to start from photo and click here and this is the option to get your pic from the gallery. And this is a gallery and for example I put my this photo and after put this will remove my background photo and my background will change. Background is changed and this is a many background you have see my photo in the different backgrounds. So you check here and click here my profile if you want to for your logo choices. So this is up for you, the better option for you. And if you want to upload and download this so click here. After click here so you next step is click here and after click here your pixel is saved. So guys, you changing here also you change another pixel. Click here and if you want to text my name is my name Irfan, so I click here Irfan. So okay. So guys, you want here my name is here and you again change your color like here. Okay. And you choose another here and you font click here font. Okay. So replace if you want to change background click here. If you replace pics click here retouch erase. So guys, many option is here and if you many other your pic it already fixed in the background. If you like any your pic background, so many option you watch your photo already fix background and you like here many your photo fit in many background. You can use it for you thumbnail and so guys, check here. This is amazing background. Your pick for your background. You select here and editing it and make your thumbnail better for your YouTube. So guys, this application is amazing for you and it you select your pic from the gallery, and it already fixed in many frames and many backgrounds. So guys, hopefully you understand my video. So guys, you check here, click here for your thumbnail. This is amazing for you. You editing it more. So guys, you check beautiful, it make your thumbnail amazing. You can editing it more. So guys, you change it give many option here, text to you change it, and editing text many here is name and person object. So guys, this is amazing big application for you. You also click here to save it, and after click here your thumbnail and your picture will save in your gallery and you can use it. So guys, this is amazing app for you. I hopefully you this is a video you will enjoy for this video and this application. I recommend you install you this application for your YouTube thumbnail and other photo editing. So guys, I meet in my next video, and thanks for watching and goodbye.